This week at the Madison Library, we're talking about keeping our pets healthy and keeping you healthy. I thought we needed some simple, delicious, healthy recipes. Let's get started with some watermelon pizza, a veggie wrap, granola bites, and a frozen popsicle. First up is this beautiful frozen popsicle. To make frozen popsicles, you'll need a popsicle mold. I got mine from Amazon, and I'll put a link to that in this post. You'll need a fruit juice. I chose apple juice. And some fruit. I have bananas, strawberries, and a kiwi. Let's get started. The first step is to cut up your fruit, and then you'll fill your popsicle mold with the fruit, like this. Fill it completely, then you're going to pour in the apple juice. I put my mold back in the stand just to give me an extra hand. Then I took the apple juice and poured it in. Don't fill it all the way to the top because it will expand in the freezer. Leave at least 1/8 in headspace and place the popsicle stick inside. I had a funnel with my kit, so I used the funnel to help me pour the juice in. You don't have to have one though. Freeze your popsicles for at least 6 hours or overnight. I've got my lid on and it's ready to freeze. I can't wait to eat it. What a fun way to get your fruits in. Watermelon pizza is next up on the menu. For a watermelon pizza, start with chopped fruit, granola if you like granola, whipped cream cheese, vanilla yogurt, and a watermelon sliced like a pizza. Take 2 ounces of the cream cheese and stir in 1/4 cup of vanilla yogurt. Once it's smooth, you're ready to put it on top of a slice of watermelon. Spread the mixture over the top like this. Now add your fruit. You really can top this with anything. I decided to add some granola, and another option might be coconut or sprinkle it with honey, whatever you would like. It's a delicious, fun snack. Now, let's make some granola bites. Start with 3/4 cups of granola, 1/2 cup of mini pretzels, 1/4 cup of dried fruit like cranberries or raisins. I used raisins. And 1/2 cup of nut butter. I used peanut butter. The recipe suggests almond butter. Let's put this all together. Put the granola and the pretzels in the food processor. Pulse until the granola and pretzels have a medium crumb consistency. Add your dried fruit, in my case raisins. Add the peanut butter and pulse till it is well combined. This is what the mixture will look like. Now, put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes so it will firm up a little bit. Then we'll make it into balls. The batter is done refrigerating, so I'm just rolling them up into 1-inch balls. Store them in the refrigerator in a closed container. Well, I couldn't resist. They're good. Last but not least, let's make a veggie wrap. You'll need tortillas, thinly sliced vegetables. I used tomatoes, shredded carrots, and cucumbers. Shredded cheese. I used cheddar, but you can use any kind. And spreadable cream cheese. Spread cream cheese onto your tortilla to completely cover it. This step is totally optional, but I wanted to add a little bit of flavor by adding some onion powder. You can add any type of seasoning that you like. Now it's time to add the vegetables. If you want to do this where you can cut it up into small, bite-sized pieces, put very thin layers of your toppings on your tortilla. I decided to make mine a little bit thicker and just roll it all up into a wrap. Next, sprinkle on your cheese. And add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now it's time to roll it all up. Wow, is it good. And that's a wrap, as they say. Here's to good health.